You talk. Okay. We need something like this. Makeup, like a mess. And oh, but there was a brush near that. Oh no. And your finger, because I don't know how to brush. And this has a mirror. Yeah. Oh, you can see your whole room. And first we start.
Why my ear hurt so bad? I didn't say anything.
Get a little bit of white. And I'm gonna take put out there.
Oh my
What?
gosh, look. Oh, you know I was talking about your makeup. Look. That's horrible.
Is that bad?
Right there.
Is that bad?
Yeah, that's bad.
Okay, this is what you would need your mirror for. So you can really see your eye.
Look. Look at all the damn rain.
You put, once you put the white above here, you put a little bit more at the bottom. Make sure it's layered. So you can see it. Can you see that? Ooh, so that look green. It is not green, it's white. So yeah. I'm really bad doing makeup, so. Oh snap, I just put pink on my finger.